Hello, folks, on a Saturday. Welcome to the weekend. We got some clouds to look at, mostly high stuff. Uh, Many times those clouds herald weather changes. I think we got a changing pattern coming up. And so we'll be talking about that. In fact, that'll be the focus of the forecast coming up. Toledo Bend, likewise, seeing mostly high mid-level clouds, a few cumulus clouds. Those are the clouds of vertical development, something like this one here. So even essentially, that's about it. Same, almost the same sky, I guess. So, do you need rain? You may just get it. I haven't had but 2/10 of an inch of rain at my home in Eastern Rapides Parish this month. So, yeah, I need some. And I'll do a tropical update. Gabrielle is out there and threatening to become a hurricane. Looking at radar, very little coverage again for today. Saw a little bit in Beauregard Parish, and looks like a little something up to the north was around. Go back an hour. I think that in LaSalle Parish, the little residual outflow boundary there. Yeah, very little up there across the northern part of LaSalle. Essentially, probably only just a sprinkle on that. The upper level pattern. Here's a change. Remember when we were looking at in the direction of motion of the clouds was this way. You see today to the southwest. Now today is to the east. So this represents a changeable pattern, and it's going to take a while to see some sensible results, results that we can see, feel, hear, and that kind of thing. Now tomorrow we will see an uptick, a temporary uptick in rain. Then chances go back down. Then they go back up again. In the 7-day forecast, which I'll have in a few minutes. So this evening, I don't think you have anything to worry about. As far as rainfall, chance is very low, near 0%. For church in the morning, mid-morning, we've got a pretty good forecast as well. I think any rain chances tomorrow will hold off, as you see here, into the PM hour. So an area of showers and thunderstorms coming in out of the south and out of the southwest. And so that is the pattern that we've got for tomorrow. So expect an uptick for tomorrow. You may actually get a decent rain tomorrow. Monday morning for your commute, no issues there. Maybe a stray shower or two early. And then here's your rainfall pattern for Sunday. The lower chances, about 20% in the Catahoula, Concordia Parish areas. As you head south and west, things get better as far as your rain chance. I got 50-50 for Vernon and St. Landry Parish. The big shots there are Beauregard and Allen. I got 60% up for those parishes, 40% for Rapides, and 30 to 40% there in Avoyelles. Timing will be mainly in the PM hours. Common amounts will be less than an inch, but 1 to 2 inches is possible. If you can get a thunderstorm, I don't think they'll be really precipitation efficient, but you could get a heavy storm or get more than one storm or more than one rain over your rain gauge, and that is when you could get that 1 to 2 inches that I'm talking about there. Right, so Gabrielle up here, you can see the clouds, convection getting more concentrated as we got a strengthening system there. And then looking off to the east, across the eastern Atlantic, nothing organized there, but it looks like we've got a well-organized area of cloudiness, which is about to move off the coast of Africa probably tonight or tomorrow. And we'll probably have to worry about that one some too, or at least watch it for any development. So right now, here's the story on Tropical Storm Gabrielle. And you can see that it pretty soon it will become a hurricane, stay a Cat 1, maybe up to a Cat 2 there, according to the Hurricane Center, as the recurvature process begins. So north-northwest, then north, and then northeast, and then eventually east-northeast there across the northern Atlantic. And it's going to retain its tropical characteristics for several more days there. So again, that goes to the east of Bermuda. Now with a hurricane like this, what happens is it stirs up the ocean, and you're going to get rip currents. You're going to get high surf there, probably from about North Carolina northward there along the east coast, and certainly Bermuda will feel some of that as well. So Tropical Storm Gabrielle, here's your information summary. 580 miles southeast of Bermuda. It's moving to the northwest at 10. Compass heading 325. Remember yesterday it was 300. So there's a kind of a northward bend in the motion there already. Maximum sustained winds are up from 50 to 65 miles per hour. Pressure down from, I think it's 29.65 yesterday, 29.42 today. So it's falling steadily and quicker. All right. So we got a strengthening storm here. Recurvature begins Sunday with that north-northwest motion, and then getting into Monday, north and northeast, and eventually after Monday, kind of a east-northeast to northeast motion there. Should become a hurricane soon as conditions do favor strengthening. The other area, looking at this one in the Atlantic, 20% risk of development there. So your 7-day forecast then for us, AM fog is possible for a while Sunday morning early, probably before you get out for church though, mainly. Showers and thunderstorms at 40%. I did increase that to 40% there as an average. You saw the rainfall parish by parish earlier. And then go back to about half that on Monday, but still the chance 20% and still seasonally hot, 90, 91. A few areas will be hotter than that. Others may stay in the upper 80s. And then starting Tuesday, back to an uptick in the rain chances. Notice how Tuesday and Wednesday we're back in the low 70s for low temperatures in many areas. More moisture, more humidity that we can make rain with. And then Wednesday and Thursday, I think there's the likelihood of rain now, as far as I got it figured, lingering into sometime during Thursday, maybe Thursday afternoon, south and east of the Alexandria Pineville Metro. But we do have that front coming in with that. And eventually, once we get into, say, Thursday night, we will see things clearing out some. And then Friday and Saturday look mostly sunny. Temperature's not bad. I'll call it comfortable for this time of year. 64 low Friday, 61 on Saturday. Leaves room maybe for some upper 50s. That will feel good. And less humidity. So it looks like a good forecast coming in, and we get rain that we need there sometime next week. So this forecast is a winner. Nothing terrible, nothing unreasonable, and nothing dangerous. It looks like too much. Although we'll have some thunderstorms. Some of those storms could be fairly strong. Always remember the lightning dangers from storms. Okay, I'm going to be quiet now and let Miculus do you update for tomorrow. And I'll be in the forecast center writing and rewriting a 7-day as I usually do. Take care and have a blessed Sunday. And